Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about project organization. First, I'm going to explain a basic app router. Here you can see we have multiple route segments, but we don't have any page.js file. So it will not be publicly available for routing. Each folder represents a route segment that is mapped to a corresponding segment in URL path. So for the dashboard, the URL is dashboard. Next, even though a route structure is defined through the folder, a route is not publicly accessible. So with this route, we cannot access the content until page.js or route.js file is added to the route segment. So if we add one page.js or route.js, then only it will be publicly available. Here we have page.js, route.js. Even though a route is made publicly accessible, only the content written from page.js or route.js is sent to the client. This means the project files can be safely co-located inside the route segment in the app directory without accidentally being routed. In case here we are providing dashboard.js. So if you are creating one file and it is publicly available, then it is accidentally available route. But while using page.js, route.js, it will never happen. Next, I'm going to explain about private folders. Here you can see the private folders. So private folders are defined by the syntax underscore. So we have underscore in two folders, component, library. So this dashboard, inside this dashboard, component and library is there. So here you can see for library we have page.js, for components button.js. There is no page.js here, and page.js, this page.js for dashboard. So we can access the dashboard because this dashboard have this page.js, and this dashboard library it should access, right? But here it is not accessible. This is because here we are providing underscore private library. Even though we have page.js, it will not return the data publicly if we mention the folder as a private folder. Let's start the practical demonstration. Here, first of all, I'm going to create a one folder called dashboard. Inside this dashboard, I'm going to create a login file. So again, login folder. Inside this login, page.js. Create a React functional component, and we have to change the name to be capital in function components. It should be in first letter always should be capital letter. So let's start the terminal here. Npm run dev. Access the URL. So copy this URL, go to the web page, browser, and now we have to navigate to the dashboard slash login. Now if you see here, the login page will be available publicly. Let's wait for few seconds. Here the page has been appeared publicly. Now let's go to the dashboard, and I'm going to convert them into private folder. Private folder, and kill the terminal, run again. Now again the Next.js has been triggered. Go to the browser, refresh the page. Now you cannot access the publicly available, it is not publicly available page. So we have converted this dashboard folder as a private folder. It will not available. So after adding this underscore, Next.js will understand it is a private folder. Next, I'm going to explain about route group. Route group can be created by wrapping a folder name in parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to give folder name. This includes the folder for the organization purpose and should not be included in the route URL path. Here you can see the example. So this here we have converted the route group, this admin folder. So the folder which are available inside this admin available publicly, and this admin will not affect the URL also. For marketing also you can access the about page directly without the marketing. And for blog page also you can access the blog page without marketing. Let's start the practical demonstration for route group. Close the terminal, and here we have login page. Instead of this login page, I'm going to create another page called sign up page.js. Page.js. React functional component, converted into capital letter, and remove this private folder from here. Open the terminal, kill the terminal, and run again. So here we have login page and a sign up page. Now we can access both of them. Once the URL has been available, we can access them in the front end browser. Go to the browser. Now refresh. You can access, now the login page will be available publicly. But here you can see you are creating this dashboard for project structure. For your understanding, it is reflecting in the URL. So I'm going to use the route group, and here I'm going to kill the terminal and clear the terminal. Now trigger the npm server and go to the browser. So here refresh. Now you cannot access the login page here because this dashboard will not reflect in the URL. After removing this dashboard, you can access the login page. And in the same way, you can access the sign up page also. This is how the route group will work. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.